10 Fast and Effective Ways to Make Money in the USA, a proven guide. In a time of economic uncertainty, finding ways to make extra income is very important. Whether it's to supplement your current income or to build a new business, there are plenty of opportunities to make money in the USA. Here's a list of 10 fast and effective ways to do just that. 1. Rent out your spare room. If you have a spare room in your house or apartment, consider renting it out on Airbnb or other similar platforms. With the high demand for affordable lodging, you could make a substantial income. 2. Sell your skills on freelancing sites. Offer your skills on freelancing sites such as Fiverr and Upwork, where you can get hired for anything from writing and graphic design to photography and virtual assistance. 3. Start a blog and monetize it. Blogging can be a profitable way to make money. You can monetize your blog with ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Start writing about your hobbies or interests and build a following before monetizing. 4. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services. If you love pets, this is a win-win situation for you. You get to spend time with cute animals while making money. Use apps like Rover or bring your services to your local community board. 5. Drive for rideshare services. Driving for rideshare services such as Uber or Lyft can bring in a good amount of money. Set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. 6. Sell items on eBay or Amazon. Sell items you no longer need or source items at a low price to sell on eBay or Amazon. With some research, you can find success in the online marketplace. 7. Create and sell digital products. With the rise of digital products, creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and templates can be very profitable. 8. Flip items for profit. Buy low and sell high on platforms like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Look for items that you can clean up, repair, or modify and sell for a profit. 9. Participate in paid online surveys. Participating in paid online surveys can earn you some extra cash. While it may not be substantial, it's a great way to make money on the side. 10. Perform small tasks for people in your community. Offer to run errands, clean homes, or do other small tasks for people in your community. Social media groups or neighborhood online forums can be a great resource for finding customers. These are just a few of the many ways you can make money in the USA. With some dedication, persistence, and a little creativity, you'll be on your way to earning extra income in no time. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZ.